All right, this video is going to be the abbreviated version of how to replace the drain pump on an LG front load washing machine. As you can see, we already have everything partially disassembled here, so we're not going to show the step-by-step disassembly process, but we have an outtake there. We'll put a link in the description to another great video that shows you the whole process from the beginning. This is sort of the quick video if you know what you're doing. The short story is that you do not need to bother taking off the top or back panel, as we initially started to do here, because you access this thing from the bottom. So you need to tilt the machine onto its back, and then the bottom is actually open. And you take off the front panel here, where you would normally access the filter, just to clean it out. So when you pop off that front cover, there is another little plate below that with some screws that you remove. You can unscrew the filter, and then we found, oh, Josh, sorry, we have an assistant helping out here. One minute, Josh, we're almost done. Another video that we'll link to in the description showed an additional screw on the bottom that was holding the pump assembly in. So we have the pump and the pump body here. We must have a slightly different model because it was just snapped in with a tab. And this is going to be kind of hard to film. I don't have good lighting in here, but basically you can reach in there and undo the tab once all the screws are out, and disconnect the various hoses that are connected to this thing and the two wires for the pump. Big suggestion, before you do that, mark some of the, these are different diameters, so maybe it's obvious what connects to what, but just to be safe, get some colored electrical tape or some Sharpies or something, and go ahead and mark everything before you disassemble it. Make your life easier when you put it back together. And then we looked at the pump. This is the old one, and you can see this was a DP040-038, so we went and Googled that and found a bunch of things on Amazon that claim to be compatible third-party parts. So we ordered something that had the same part number, and we got, if I can find, a DP040-091. So they look identical, but not exactly the same part number. So be careful with what you're ordering online. Make sure the dimensions look the same and everything. But again, that's the quick version of how to disassemble this without actually showing the step-by-step process. We will put a link in the description to another great video we found where he actually shows taking it all apart step by step. Thank you.